Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will discuss the diagram of nephron. First of all, we have to understand what is nephron. The nephron is a filtration unit of the kidney. Kidneys are the excretory organ. So nephron is a most important part of the excretory system. Every kidney have large number of nephrons which are packed close together. This nephron consists of the components Bowman capsule, glomerulus apparatus, reabsorption network of blood vessels, Henle's loop, and common collecting duct, along with the renal artery having a branch called arteriole and renal vein having a branch called renal venule. These are the components. Let's start making the diagram of nephron. First of all, we will make the cup shape structure, and this cup shape structure is called as Bowman's capsule. Now, a coiled structure now a U-shaped structure, this U-shaped structure is called Henle's loop or Henle's loop. Which will end at the terminal position of common collecting duct. These are the various exit points of number of nephrons and now what we have to make the part which allow the blood to enter into the kidney. From kidney the blood goes to the glomerulus apparatus. What is glomerulus apparatus? It is a filter inside the Bowman capsule. This cup shaped structure is called Bowman capsule. Inside the Bowman capsule there is a glomerulus apparatus. This is finally divided into the branches. Similarly, the number of branches will exit this entry part is called branch of renal artery, and this is the branch of renal artery. This is called efferent arteriole. This is called efferent arteriole, which we will label later on. Now, we will see how it is get divided. And goes to goes to the structure here. We can use eraser if there is any mistake. Similarly, we have to make the number of tubules all around. Number of tubules all around. This is a tube-like structure. Just what we have to make the tubes all around. And here this is a part which we will again rejoin. Now you can draw roughly the diagram of the tubes in any way. I will share my more videos of making the diagram in the another manner. What this diagram is? Let's label this diagram. This is a part inside which we have left along with that, and this part we have the fine network. Now we can use marker to show this is entry of renal arteriole, this is exit of renal arteriole, these are the fine tubular structures inside. We can shade it all. So that we can show the shaded portion is a glomerulus. What it is? This is glomerulus, glomerulus apparatus. This is what glomerulus apparatus, and this one is Bowman capsule. This is common collecting duct. Now this structure is the inside loop. Here is the inside U-shaped structure. This is Henle's loop. This is Henle's loop. This is a reabsorption network of blood vessels. Reabsorption network of blood vessels. This part is called, this is a branch of renal artery, or we can say that it is afferent arteriole, and this part is efferent arteriole. This is a part I shade it blue because I would like to mention it that this is that part which carry back the filtered blood to the body. This part is called branch of renal vein. Branch of renal vein, or called venule. We can say this is the diagram of nephron, which is called as filtration unit of a kidney. For more videos, watch